Have you ever dreamt of bringing your game-changing ideas to life? Pathfinder 2.0 is the platform that can transform your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Pathfinder 2.0 goes beyond being just an event. It is an entire ecosystem designed to fuel your journey from being an aspiring entrepreneur to becoming a successful tech leader. Imagine connecting with a network of supportive mentors, potential investors, and fellow innovators, all under one roof. At the heart of Pathfinder 2.0 is the opportunity to pitch your revolutionary ideas. This competition provides the perfect stage for you to showcase your creativity and ingenuity. Compete for the chance to turn your dreams into reality. But it doesn't stop there. Pathfinder 2.0 is your hub for interactive workshops and inspiring discussions. Hear firsthand from industry leaders who were once in your shoes. And let's not forget the electrifying atmosphere. Immerse yourself in a community of passionate young entrepreneurs, all sharing the same drive and ambition. This is your chance to validate your startup ideas, develop your entrepreneurial skills, network with key players in the tech industry, and potentially win the resources and support to launch your venture. Pathfinder 2.0 is brought to you by VibGyor Solution, a company that prides itself on sparking new-gen education through vibrant business solutions. Since its inception in 2015, VibGyor Solution has empowered schools and individuals with cutting-edge educational tools and programs built around 21st century skills. Now, they are turning their attention to you, the next generation of entrepreneurs. Don't wait. Register for Pathfinder 2.0 today and take that crucial first step towards making your startup dreams a reality. Remember, share this event with your fellow innovators and join the movement. Together, we can shape the future of entrepreneurship. A special thank you to our supporters, the Chandigarh Commission for Protection of Child Rights and Jan Shikshan Sansthan, a Skill India initiative. So, are you ready to unlock your potential and make your mark on the future? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Make Pathfinder 2.0 that step. Venture forth into the world of entrepreneurship and let's make the future unforgettable.